Hi guys, I want to show you how to get into the run workouts on Zwift. So first of all, we're going to click on Run up here. And you will have wanted to have set up an account. And with that, you want to search for your treadmill or for your pod. Obviously, it's not going to be able to find my pod right now or my treadmill because it's downstairs, but I just wanted to show you. So you would click on that and that would pair with your treadmill. Let me see if it will work. So we're going to look for it and you'll see that it's searching and it'll probably find my Apple Watch. And I don't think it's finding anything right now. I'll just see if it'll help if I turn on my watch. And it may help if I turn on my Apple Watch. So sometimes it'll pair with that, but unfortunately it doesn't seem to pair with the heart rate monitor. So I'm just going to skip that piece and see what happens if we skip and get right into it. You'll not be able to run until you have a paired treadmill. So let's see if we skip the pairing for now. So here we are on this page where we don't see the workout. We're looking for the progressive run workout. So we don't want this right now. So it takes us back to here. So you'll see the training page here. So we're going to click on training. And again, we come back to this, which we don't want. So we go back again. And then up here at the top, you'll see that there's a choice of workouts. And bam, there is the custom Training Peaks workout. So we can click on that and there it is. So that's the Training Peaks workout that I made for today. And then we hit workout. Then click run. And you should be able to then find it in Watopia the same way you normally would. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the progressive run. And my computer's being insanely slow. So you can take it from there, and then once you start running, it'll start to tell you the speeds that you want to set your treadmill at. And it gives you a bit of a range so that you can either go faster or slower and you won't get in trouble. Anyway, have fun. Hopefully that'll help get you through to your training on Zwift. Have fun.